I'd like to talk to you today about gluteal implants, the so-called buttock implants. As you know, buttock augmentation is a hot procedure. For many years now in Toronto, we used to have small implants that needed to fit all, but now with the Kardashians and her family, we have a lot of wider selection of buttock implant. Now, I've been doing buttock augmentation for 25 years. We've developed a very strong expertise here in Toronto, and for that reason, many plastic surgeons refer patients to us for this purpose. We also do Brazilian butt lift with fat grafting. That procedure has a lot of good things in it where we use unwanted fat and transfer it to the buttocks, but the amount of augmentation in one setting is limited. So for a patient who's looking for really a larger augmentation, shape stable, form stable, buttock implant is often recommended. And often patients may not have enough unwanted fat for a Brazilian butt lift. Now, we've got many sizes here. You can see I have smaller ones, we have larger one. Just thought I would show you those 6 samples here today. This is the natural contour. It's very small, 330 cc's. It's for patients who are looking for very subtle change. And then we have the 400, which at some point in time was the largest we had. Now we have the newer ones, 485, 490, 655 and 715, and those are my main implants we use here at VISAGE Clinic. Unlike breast implant, those are silicone solid, not gel like a breast implant. They're very soft, you can see, very spongy, very soft. They're all gray. The blue is just to show you on the camera. They're all inserted through 2 small incisions on each side of the midline. And there is a serious recovery with this. Over time, lots of surgeons decided not to do them because the complications were higher. But we found at Visage over the years that with proper education, proper teaching, proper follow-up, very close follow-up post-surgery, and with the appropriate selection of our patient and the implant, we've reduced all complication to a very normal 1 to 2% as we see with all other surgeries. The recovery for those is a bit longer than most other surgeries. We require 3-4 weeks of laying low for the patient, and we like to see them every 2, 3, 4 days if they stay in Toronto. We like patients to stay a minimum of 2 weeks in Toronto if they are traveling from far away, so that we are here to help, we're here to do dressing changes, and we're here to support our patient. This is a great procedure. Very rewarding for our patients for getting this nice buttock prominence, a nice derriere, which is very in demand nowadays. Thank you.